Welcome, future entrepreneurs. Today I'm diving into the stories of three men who turned their dreams into multi-million-dollar realities. Grab a notebook and get ready to be inspired. First up, Elon Musk. You know him as the man behind Tesla and SpaceX, but did you know he started small? Elon began with Zip2, a city guide software company. He sold it for nearly $300 million. Then came X.com, which eventually became PayPal. Sold that for $1.5 billion. But Elon didn't stop there. But his vision took him to the stars, literally, with SpaceX. Today he's worth over $200 billion. His secret? Relentless innovation and a never-give-up attitude. Next, let's talk about Jeff Bezos. The founder of Amazon started in his garage. He left a high-paying job to chase his vision of an online bookstore. People thought he was crazy, but Jeff saw the potential of the internet. Fast forward, Amazon is now one of the most valuable companies in the world. Jeff's net worth? Over $150 billion. His key to success? Customer obsession and long-term thinking. Lastly, we have Richard Branson, the charismatic founder of the Virgin Group. Richard's entrepreneurial journey began with a student magazine. Then came Virgin Records, which he sold for nearly $1 billion. But Richard didn't stop there. He ventured into airlines, telecommunications, and even space travel with Virgin Galactic. His net worth, around $5 billion. Richard's philosophy, screw it, let's do it. He believes in taking risks and having fun along the way. So what's the takeaway? Dream big, work hard, and don't be afraid to take risks. These men weren't afraid to fail, and neither should you be. Remember, every great success story starts with a single step. Thanks for watching. If you found this video inspiring, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more success stories. Until next time, keep hustling and stay inspired.